leaving the Walmart. Yeah. So, hey y'all, don't look at my hair. It's a little wild.
That's gorgeous hair, girl.
Blowing and stuff.
Jesus, let me know, but they show no vision. Didn't say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on.
As you can tell by today's title, don't mind how it looks. But we're gonna be cleaning my car out today, the inside and the outside, because it looks a mess. But in my defense, I haven't been driving it at all. So, in my car with me today. Okay, y'all, so we got the floors clean real good. Really just I gotta get some stuff to clean the seats up good, because the seats look dirty. Like, you have black seats and they look dirty, so I really gotta get some stuff to clean the seats with. And then next we're gonna wash the outside of the car, because girl, she dirty. The car vacuum was a success. Now I told y'all I just gotta get something to clean the seats off, because the seats look dirty. But somebody like putting food and stuff all on the seat. But yeah, that's it. And then I gotta wash the outside of it. Sisters. How long you been growing that beard? Mama hates anyway. Hey guys, editing Lena here. I just want to say, in the next clip, it's the next day. I didn't wash the car the same day. I actually came back home. I left my mom in the house and I came back home. But yeah, so in the next clip, it'll be the next day, and I ended up washing the car after I met up with my friend. Hey guys, so on today's agenda, so far, I'm driving. I'm going to meet my friend to pick up it's a hair accessory thing for the kids. You know, stuff like that people be making. But yeah, I'm going to pick that up, and then we're gonna grab, I guess, lunch now, because it's not breakfast time. But yeah, I'll show y'all when we get there. Kiddos are sleeping. Oh, they're so cute. Yeah. But okay, see y'all when I get there. Okay, y'all, back again. So I just realized I did not record meet up with her. Yeah, we met up at McDonald's and we ate lunch. Well, most of the kids, but we got ourselves a little something. And then we went to the grocery store. She had some things she needed to get, so she did that. And then after that, we left and went home. And then now in the next clip, you'll see me washing the car.
One.
Ooh, it's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent.
Nope. No. No. You laying out.
Something about kind of woman that can do for us.
Wow.
I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got no doubt. There's something about her. Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she about to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. Yeah. She made for a boss, only a boss. Anything less, she telling them to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent. Her favorite thing to say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it, girl. You're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. Yeah, 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 yeah. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her love. That's why I love Miss Independent. Shine, Miss Independent. That's why I love her.
In the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your lover, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. But I can feel my grip loosen in. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get back and use it for good. Touch the people how you did like before. Not as the beginning, cause they always do like smoke. This being broke is better. And I don't mean that breaking no disrespect. To all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash minimal check. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex. And fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Got to go see her. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. I know you're trying to leave. I said I dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say oh. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. So you're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. I think I'll say oh. I don't know your name, but excuse me. I saw you from across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. So you're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing romantic. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, so many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah, you're tryna leave. Oh, how I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand. Y'all can leave your hands like this. Y'all make the bounce like this. You know it's made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
We tried the car. Try the car. Try it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. But my heart, my mind, and my body.
Oh, well, don't use it if you make it work. Ooh, y'all, she is washed. Look at her. And the tires are clean too. She is washed. Woo! Check her out now, y'all. She was dirty before. Ooh, okay. Check her out. Check her out. She clean.